Hey everybody, welcome back to All Speed TV. We're particularly excited to show you this Power Wagon that we just finished up. This is a 1952 Power Wagon with all the modern amenities. Let me show you what it's got. You're not going to believe it. So starting under the hood here, you'll see the modern 6.7 liter 24 valve built Cummins motor, turbocharged diesel, plenty of power and torque to move this big wagon. So for all you die-hard Power Wagon fans, probably the first thing you're going to notice, this thing's been stretched, made into a crew cab. It's got custom doors off a carryall, and then we custom extended the roof, give you all that room inside. We're particularly proud of the fit and finish and paint on the body of this old Power Wagon. This is BASF Glazerite. It's a tri-coat blue off a modern Nissan with a Raven black just buried in a ton of clear coat. The bed is detailed just as much as the exterior of the truck. The wood is a white oak with a natural oil finish. And then of course we carried the BASF Glazerite paint all throughout. And we've got 20-inch fuel wheels with Toyo RT open country tires. It's got custom 4-link suspension front and rear with King off-road coilovers. And we've got massive disc brakes all the way around. Best part about this Power Wagon is the interior. We have all the modern amenities of a modern vehicle, including power windows, heated seats, power seats, full custom stereo system with navigation, touchscreen controls, Dakota digital gauges. The seats are out of a Cadillac CTS-V, but they've been completely done in the Relicate leather with the diamond stitch. We also have a full custom headliner, billet switches, all LED backlighting throughout, and vintage air AC system front and rear.